Okay, welcome back once again. We're going to do another eating with locals. This time we're going to go for dinner with Noshad, who I've been for lunch with, and breakfast. I don't know if you've seen those two, they're up there already, those videos, but yeah, we're going to have a fantastic dinner. We're going to go for some chicken curry, some beef curry, some shrimp, some whole fish, some kappa, which is tapioca, just amazing stuff. Anyway, let's go and do it. Okay, Noshad,
So,
here we are. So we've got dinner
So
coming.
we got dinner. We ordered some Kerala food.
I hope so. Here it comes, here it comes. This looks
She's
amazing.
going to serve.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Fish, chembali. This is called chembali curry. It's a fish curry.
Okay.
Yeah. So, this Nadan chicken Nadan.
Okay.
Nadan chicken curry. And this is Kappa.
Okay, tapioca.
Tapioca.
Yeah, okay.
Kappa plain. And this is combination of I guess there is some chutney. No. Okay. So this is paratha. This is kappa with the chutney.
Okay.
With
is this the coconut chutney similar to what we had yesterday?
I guess there is either tanginda. No.
Just, yeah, different.
No. This is the small onion.
Okay.
Green chilli. And the turmeric.
Okay.
All mixed up with the coconut oil.
Okay.
Appam.
Great stuff.
Yeah. And this
fantastic.
is chembali fry. I guess there is a prawns order. This is chembali fry, fish fry. This is chembali Watta. It's not a chembali.
Okay.
This is
chembali. This is
watta.
Okay.
So
looks amazing. It looks amazing. Yeah. That's it. There's nothing else coming.
No, there is a prawns as well. What is that? This is beef biryani. Kappa Biriyani.
Okay. Tapioca biryani.
Tapioca biryani with a mix with the beef and beef masala. And there is
fabulous. There can't be more, surely.
There is one more. I guess that is the last one.
Should I take this?
Yeah, you can put that. And this is going to be, what is this inside it? Prawns. Yeah.
Wow. There's a lot of food here, man. I don't know if we're going to eat it all.
We will try our level best.
Yeah, you're right. I'm going to really try.
This is pira. Prawns pira.
Right, that looks really good. Really, really, really good. Wow.
Servido.
Wow, thank you so much.
No,
thank you.
Right,
let's just go again. What have we got? Tell me again.
We will.
This
is watta. Watta is a fish called in Kerala.
You sure?
No,
this is not
chembali.
This is chembali.
Chembali.
Tapioca.
Kappa.
Oh, kappa. Plain kappa.
Yeah, it's with the chutney or with this option you can use with fish curry or chutney.
Okay.
That is the menu.
This is chicken.
This is chicken Nadan.
Okay. Nadan. Nadan means village.
Village. Nadan means
translated
village.
Just means village, like village style.
Which is a local, yeah.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
This is.
So that is combination with appam.
Okay. Well, I just pop some in there and then.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
this is shrimp.
Shrimp pira is a coconut.
Okay, grated. This the grated one.
Grated the coconut.
Curry leaves. There's mustard seeds in there.
Fried onion.
Chili, of course.
Green chili, yes. And
okay.
black pepper, etc.
And then this is
appam.
This is appam, which is very similar to in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka,
yeah,
hoppers.
Yes.
In Sri Lanka, they call it hoppers. They put an egg in it.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, all right. And then this is
watta. It's a fish called watta in Kerala.
Okay. Is this?
So it's a fried one.
Just fried masala, beautiful. Okay. And then over here I've got paratha.
Paratha.
And this is tapioca or kappa biryani.
Kappa biryani.
Okay, kappa.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is.
Should we eat?
So you can start with any way you can. There is no starter and no under. This is.
I want to go for the kappa. So what do? I just take it. And
take it your hand.
Show me what to do.
Okay. So this is how we do. Take a little bit, and
okay. Coconut chutney.
It's not coconut.
It's not coconut.
It's not coconut.
Hang on, I'm getting my finger. Oh no. Okay, it's.
Yeah. And
Man, that is really hot.
Yes. Look.
Yeah. So I'm bending it over, I'm
Like
doing that, and I'm doing this. Okay. That doesn't taste of anything really, does it?
It's very spicy, huh?
That's really spicy.
Yeah. So this is the way how we eat.
Okay.
This is the local farmers' snacks. It's not while they're working in the farm.
But can I start to just dip other stuff? Can I dip this in other stuff? Can I get other stuff on the go and dip it?
Yeah.
Can I get some of this and put it on my plate and then dip?
You can try, but I suggest you before that.
Yeah.
First, you start with the fish.
Okay.
Now you try it.
I'm going in again with my kappa.
Kappa and Chimbali.
Okay. This is beautiful. That is so hot.
Very hot.
Right, so
So
I'm liking this. So this is
Kappa.
this is the kappa, which is completely tasteless, but it's a great kind of. It's like a rice, isn't it? In that way, it's like doesn't have a lot of taste, but we're going in and getting hold of our fish. It's kind of soaking everything up, isn't it? Oh man. Look, I just want everything on my plate right now. I want it all. It's lovely. I'm staying away from that, man. That's really hot.
You cannot afford that.
I can't afford it. I like that. You can't afford it. Yeah, that's a bit.
Very spicy.
Very spicy. Okay, I'm gonna go for some of this as well. Yeah, can I just eat this on my plate or like that or
Anything you like.
anything I like? This is really good. I'm going for it. You having some?
Okay.
I'm gonna eat this with some paratha, I think.
Parota, yeah, it's a combination.
I'm gonna get some paratha and see what it's like. That is really good.
Yes.
That is really, really tasty. I'm gonna try it with a little bit of this crazy stuff on the end.
There is lemongrass on it.
No, all I'm getting there, I'm getting the raw coconut. I'm getting the curry leaves. There's a bit. I think there's a bit of turmeric in there. Oh. What do I do here? Do I break this up? Break it, or you put the whole thing on?
Break.
Break it off,
We'll share it if you cannot, because we have a plenty food.
and then I'm gonna go for this.
Yes.
I'm gonna get the chicken on there.
Chicken Nadan.
And again, I'm seeing some cinnamon in there.
Cinnamon.
Yeah,
you can put, yeah.
there's quite a lot of cinnamon in there actually. Let me give it a taste, see what's happening here.
How's that?
That's hot. That's also really hot. Wow.
Supposed to be mixed before you take, because the
oil.
oil or you took it.
It's delicious. I think there's quite a bit of takeaway here.
Yeah.
We're not going to get through this, are we? No chance.
You eat a lot of spicy, eh?
I eat a lot of spicy food, yeah.
No what?
But that, I mean, for me, that.
No. That is direct. No cook. Fresh. Fresh green chili,
mean,
fresh onion.
What I can do with that is I can have a little dab. I can literally just do that.
Yes.
But I can't pick it up.
No.
I can't pick that up and eat it. It's crazy. It's crazy. So we've got Kerala, black pepper,
Yeah.
very famous from there, huh?
Cardamom.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon, cardamom. I will cut the water.
Do it, man. Get in there and do it.
What do you like? Tail or head?
Well, it looks like I'm getting the tail, doesn't it? You didn't give me a choice, really, did you? That's good for
Kerala
me. That's
people,
good.
they like tail. And the smart people will get in the center.
That's right. You're right there, yeah.
If you want to dip with the chutney.
Yeah, I was thinking about it. I was thinking about taking my life in my hands. Oh, it's really hot, man. I can straight away. I'm pretty good with spicy food, but that is fire.
If you like to squeeze some lemon on it, what do you think?
Maybe, yeah. What do you think? Let's have a little go there. Thanks, mate. Oh, that's good, yeah. So, the trick is, say, serve the person the fish first and say, do you want head or tail? Give them whatever they want and then you eat the middle. I see what you've done there. I saw that.
That is my style only.
Yeah, I saw
it's
that.
Not don't blame Kerala this.
That's just
blame
you,
me
innit?
if
No, I'm just
wrong.
blaming you, yeah. No. But I saw that. I like that little trick.
Yeah.
So I think that you've given me a great choice.
Yeah.
I think you're a gentleman, but you get the best bit of the fish. Yeah, nice, yeah. I am so in love with this, man. So in love. Right. The stuff.
Have another piece. Fish.
Can I have the head?
Head.
Leave you the rest of it. Listen, we're going to continue eating, but thanks so much, mate. Give me a little one fist. Thank you so much, man, for doing this for me. And yeah, we'll have to get over to Kerala one day together.
Why not?
I'd like that. Man, I'll see you soon. Lots of love to you and love to the family.
My pleasure, yes.
Keep eating. Come on.
Okay.
I've just noticed something, okay? Jody, the cameraman, is rolling a bloody cigarette. We're still filming, mate. Pay attention.